Oh my god, guys, look at my Simoleons and Whip and LP. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited Simoleons for Sims FreePlay, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search Sims FreePlay and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our play ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and you will find instructions. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select amount of desired. I will go with this. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Sims FreePlay, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites for nowadays. AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just go down and click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're in the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher. With the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Whip, Simoleons and LP are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my Simoleons and Whip and LP. This hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.